Oka hey, Boozhoo. Boozhoo nish Anishinaabe do. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. And welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast
about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha.
I am Michael.
And I am Nana Boozhoo. And today, oh wow, we got a really good Ojibwe word of the day. You want to tell them what the word is, sweetie?
Sure. Today's Ojibwe word of the day: MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. Blueberry pie.
That's right. And we, it's really hard to learn Ojibwe sometimes when they're really long words like that. So Natasha and I put together a couple of chords. We wrote a little song to help you learn it. So, MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI. And how that translates is like, Mina is blueberry. MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI is like blueberry sauce. And then, MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI, BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN is like pie. So, here's our song, and we hope you like it. MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. 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 MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN.
And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say,
MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. Yeah, MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. Hoka hey! MIINABASHKIIMIINASIGANI-BITOOSIJIGAANI-BAKWEZHIIGAN. Blueberry pie. And you have been listening to
Boozhoo, Nana
Boozhoo,
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha.
I am Michael.
and I am Nana Boozhoo, and I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minawa. Hoa.
All right, good job, sweetie.
Hoa. Yeah, good job.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and someday, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and